Mr. Scotty. Here we are on
The
P. David's Pierre Cardin Evolution. Yes. Evolution. I like saying evolution. So here we are.
We hooked it up to the positive.
We're getting ready to jump it, to move it over to our side.
Now watch the machine.
Fault. And I even have this thing unhooked, bypassing the battery, just trying to start it. Go ahead and just hook that up for fun. Okay. Now put it back on there. Fault. Yeah.
We did the same thing with mine, because I only had to use mine for a motorcycle.
This guy's got a little one.
Well, you know.
Mine's bigger than yours, Scotty.
Well, maybe rounder. But I'm bumped. But
there's humor here.
I mean, right off the bat, disconnect, it's good.
So this explains why there's been a parasitic drain in this car.
Yep.
Now that the battery's pretty low, I'm curious to see why or what's going on. What are you thinking about, Mr. Scotty?
We have a melted wire going to the alternator from the battery.
Oh, whoa. Let me get in there.
Can you see that?
Yeah, that's a crispy critter there, boys and girls, and corroded, which I believe we mentioned that in the inspection.
I think we did, yeah.
That jumps right out at you, but I mean, we had it running, so we can move the damn thing. But yeah, so we're kind of stuck. This isn't fun.
Nope. So it'll be car dollies,
roller
roller skates. Yeah, we can't even put the windows down or nothing. And because of where it's sitting, we have to be extremely cautious. Which, that's fine. We're cautious with everybody's cars, so I never worry that way. But yeah, that's what we got. I mean, we were talking less than 10 minutes of trying to do this.
Yeah. We're just in the process of getting the car ready to move it over back to our shop from storage next door.
Yep.
Fun morning, Scotty, already.
What time is it?
7-something.
Yay.
I gotta be somewhere at 8, but we gotta move this first, and I got 5 other things I gotta do before we leave, so.
All right, well then, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boy Joimes, see ya.